Imagine dedicating your life to science, making discoveries that change the world, and winning not one, but two Nobel Prizes. This is the remarkable story of Marie Curie, a pioneer in the field of radioactivity, whose work continues to influence science and medicine to this day. Marie Skłodowska-Curie was born on November 7, 1867 in Warsaw, Poland. The youngest of 5 children in a family that valued education, Marie showed an early aptitude for learning. However, Poland was under Russian rule at the time, and opportunities for women in higher education were extremely limited. Undeterred, Marie attended a flying university where she and other young women secretly studied science. In 1891, Marie moved to Paris to attend the Sorbonne University, where she pursued studies in physics and mathematics. Despite facing poverty and the challenges of being a woman in a male-dominated field, Marie excelled in her studies, earning degrees in both subjects. Marie Curie's life took a significant turn when she met Pierre Curie, a fellow physicist. The two married in 1895 and began working together in a small, makeshift laboratory. It was here that Marie made her groundbreaking discoveries in radioactivity, a term she coined herself. In 1898, the Curies discovered 2 new elements, polonium, named after Marie's homeland, and radium. They found that these elements emitted radiation, a form of energy that came from within the atoms themselves. This discovery challenged existing scientific knowledge and opened up a new field of research in nuclear physics and chemistry. In 1903, Marie Curie became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, sharing the award in physics with Pierre Curie and Henri Becquerel for their work on radioactivity. But her contributions didn't stop there. After Pierre's tragic death in 1906, Marie continued their research alone. She took over his position at the Sorbonne, becoming the first woman to teach at the prestigious institution. In 1911, Marie Curie won her second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her discovery of radium and polonium and her investigation into the properties of radioactive elements. To this day, she remains the only person to have won Nobel Prizes in 2 different scientific fields. During World War I, Marie Curie applied her scientific expertise to the war effort. She developed mobile radiography units, known as little Curies, which were used to perform X-rays on wounded soldiers at the front lines. Her efforts saved countless lives and demonstrated her commitment to using science for the betterment of humanity. Marie also advocated for the use of radium in cancer treatment, laying the groundwork for modern radiation therapy. Despite her achievements, she faced significant challenges, including health problems likely caused by prolonged exposure to radiation. Marie Curie passed away on July 4, 1934, from aplastic anemia, a condition linked to her exposure to radiation. Her legacy, however, lives on. She not only paved the way for women in science, but also revolutionized our understanding of radioactivity. Her discoveries continue to save lives, and her name remains synonymous with scientific excellence and perseverance. Marie Curie once said, "Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more so that we may fear less." Her words and her life's work remind us of the power of knowledge and the endless possibilities that come with a curious and determined mind.